Good morning, this is NJ. Welcome to English speaking class. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, sabal khair, privet, dejahao, ni hao, hello. Guys, my students, viewers and listeners, today we are going to view the important phrases and sentences of active voice and passive voice. Altogether, it's said to be change of voice. Change of voice is an important part of communication. It has a great importance in speaking English. Let's start our lesson behind on the whiteboard. Dear students, वॉइस जो है चेंज ऑफ वॉइस ये इसका अहम किरदार है अंग्रेज़ी बोलचाल में और चेंज ऑफ वॉइस के हवाले से मुख्तलिफ टेंसेस के मुख्तलिफ rules and quiet हैं. There are 12 tenses and out of 12, 6 of those sentences are changed to passive voice. Some of these of 12, out of 12 are already in passive. So let's see this present indefinite tense, how it's going to change from active voice to passive voice. अज़ीज़ तलबा, एक्टिव वॉइस और पैसिव वॉइस एकेडमिकली सिलेबस का हिस्सा भी हैं चेंज ऑफ वॉइस. सो और कॉमनली इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग में भी इन जुमलों को इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. आइए आज के लेसन का आगाज़ करते हैं. Hey students, the first sentence is Faiz gives them a ray of hope. Faiz gives them a ray of hope. फैज़ उनकी ढास बंधाता है. फैज़ gives them a ray of hope. फैज़ उनकी हिम्मत बंधाता है. फैज़ gives them a ray of hope. फैज़ उनकी ढास बंधाता है. फैज़ उनकी हिम्मत बंधाता है. This is present indefinite tense and this phrase, you see this sentence is in active voice. Its active voice means बराह रास्त गुफ्तगू है. फैज़ gives them a ray of hope. फैज़ उनकी ढास बंधाता है. फैज़ gives them a ray of hope. फैज़ उनकी हिम्मत बंधाता है. How? Let's see how it's going to change to in passive. Passive में change कैसे होगा? You see my friends that Faiz gives them a ray of hope. First we have to see that subject is Faiz, give is a verb and them is an object. When we make changes from active to passive, this object will stand as a subject in passive voice. So we have they here. They is a subjective form of them. So they are given a ray of hope by Faiz. You see my students, Faiz subject. Now in passive it's here as an object. So and the third form of verb is given. By rules we have to write third form of verb, and by rules we have to write is a mark after this subject in passive. So subject is plural they, so we will write are here. They are given a ray of hope by Faiz. उन्हें उम्मीद की एक किरण फैज़ से दिलाई जाती है. उन्हें उम्मीद की एक किरण फैज़ से दिलाई जाती है. उनकी ढास फैज़ से बंधाई जाती है. They are given a ray of hope by Faiz. They are given a ray of hope by Faiz. उनकी उम्मीद ढास फैज़ से बंधाई जाती है. So principal statement or sentence is Faiz gives them a ray of hope. Faiz gives them a ray of hope. फैज़ उनकी ढास बंधाता है. फैज़ उनकी हिम्मत बंधाता है. And in passive you see the change. They are given a ray of hope by Faiz. They are given a ray of hope by Faiz. उनकी हिम्मत फैज़ से बंधाई जाती है. उनका हौसला फैज़ से बंधाया जाता है. उनकी ढास फैज़ से बंधाई जाती है. They are given a ray of hope by Faiz. फैज़ उन्हें उम्मीद की एक किरण दिखाता है. फैज़ उन्हें उम्मीद की एक किरण दिखाता है. They are given a ray of hope by Faiz. फैज ने उम्मीद की एक किरण दिखाता है। दिस इज इम्प्रेसिव वॉइस बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू में है ये जुमला। आइए अगले सेंटेंस की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट यू सी माय स्टूडेंट्स इज Benty receives her novel. Benty reviews her novel. Excuse me, it's review. Benty reviews her novel. Benty reviews her novel. Benty अपने नावल का जायजा लेती है। Benty reviews her novel. Here my students, new statement, new sentence is Benty reviews her novel. Benty reviews her novel. Benty अपने नावल का जायजा लेती है। In this phrase, my students, you see that Benty is a subject, review is a verb form, and her novel is an object. So let's see how it's going to change to passive. Here see my students, the passive statement is her novel is reviewed by Benty. Her novel is reviewed by Benty. Her novel is reviewed by Benty. उसके नावल का जायजा Benty से लिया जाता है। This is also a present definite tense, but in passive voice, her novel is a subject here, and according to the subject we write is here. Singular subject is her novel, and we will write here is as the rules allow. Then we will write the third form of verb review, that is reviewed. Reviewed is the third form of verb review, and then by the connecting word, and in the last we will write here an object, that is Benty. Benty will stay here as an object because it's a proper noun. So Benty reviews her novel. Benty reviews her novel. Benty reviews her novel. This is in present definite tense. Active voice statement. Active voice sentence. ये एक एक्टिव वॉइस का जुमला है। बेंटी अपने नावल का जायजा लेती है, और पैसिव वॉइस में इसकी चेंज आपने देखी। हर नॉवेल इज रिव्यूड बाय बेंटी। हर नॉवेल इज रिव्यूड बाय बेंटी। उसका नावल बेंटी से, उसके नावल का बेंटी से जायजा लिया जाता है। उसका नावल का जायजा बेंटी से लिया जाता है। हर नॉवेल इज रिव्यूड बाय बेंटी। हर नॉवेल इज रिव्यूड बाय बेंटी। हर नॉवेल इज द सब्जेक्ट इन पैसिव, is a helping verb, and reviewed is the third form of verb. By is a connecting preposition, and Benty is an object in passive. So her novel is reviewed by Benty. Her novel is reviewed by Benty. उसके नावल का Benty से जायजा लिया जाता है। This is a passive statement voice, and let's see next formation, next statement. Next statement is Tom plays an old piano. Tom plays an old piano. Tom plays an old piano. Tom एक कदीम सा ज़ीना बजाता है। Tom plays an old piano. Tom plays an old piano. Tom एक कदीम सा ज़ीना बजाता है। Here again you see my students, Tom is a subject and piano is an object, and old piano is an object. So when we make changes, let's see here. An old piano is played by Tom. An old piano is played by Tom. An old piano is played by Tom. Here see my students, an old piano comes here as a subject. Is a helping verb. Played is a third form of verb play, and Tom is an object, and connecting word is by. So according to the rules we have set these changes. An old piano is played by Tom. An old piano is played by Tom. एक कदीम सा ज़ीना टॉम से बजाया जाता है। एक कदीम सा ज़ीना टॉम से बजाया जाता है। Hey my students, these are very interesting phrases of active and passive voice. Memorize these phrases. Keep on watching my videos. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye.